my name is Husker, and I have an unboxing video for you today. You are immediately greeted with two things. One, an instruction manual, so you don't poke your eye out with one of these. But you're also greeted with a set of spare carbon brushes, which I very much appreciate because they're already thinking of serviceability down the road. I normally don't even get these with my other AC tools. Do not put this in your mouth. This is not toothpaste. Put this on your SDS bits instead. It does come out with that kind of consistency, which I like because I don't want it to be so thick that it gums internals up. Up next is the depth rod, which it's not numerated, but it does have hash marks, which each hash mark measures to 1 centimeter in length, and this entire depth rod measures to about 13 3/4 inches, or 349 millimeters. Here's the hammer itself. I wish the box was a bit bigger though, because I like to transport my bits inside of it with the tool. Alright, so off the bat, something that I really like about this SDS-MAX 9/16" rotary hammer from Hercules is the fact that it has indicator lights, much like the Bosch. So that way you can monitor the condition of your brushes and the condition of your lead, so that way you'll know if you have a stable and reliable connection or not. This does not come with a drill-only function. This is only for hammering, whether it's straight hammering or hammer drilling. This trigger here, nice and clicky. And very long too, so that way you could get the rest of your fingers on there. And if you're wearing gloves, that's going to really help a lot because you're going to need more surface area than just something that can only encompass 2 fingers. Also, this is not a variable speed trigger. You control the speed by this rotary dial here, which is very clicky. Has 6 settings and a few micro settings in between each iteration. Nice. Just like any other rotary hammer, you loosen that up by rotating this and turning it up, which also is pretty smooth as well. I kind of like that. I know this is going to last me a very long time for 2 reasons. Number one, it's Hercules. I know that these are just made way better than a lot of the tools underneath. As far as the good, better, best, this is their top of the line corded and cordless line as well. I wish this did come with those extended warranties that the brushless tools come with. Also, this is not a tool that I'm going to be using all the time. Once again, this is going to be more of like the special use case type of tools because there are certain bits, in fact, there are quite a few bits that don't come in SDS Plus sizing. They only come in SDS Max sizing. So this is going to be one tool that's going to be a pleasure to use and to have around. It's been Husker.